Previously on my nightmare. What I have here is a Rock Shop Yari, 160 millimeters. Stealth decals are done. New fork feel amazing. The sag is set. I took it on a quick neighborhood stroll. Take it out on the trail tomorrow. What I'm about to do now is take off the Viteria motors, 2.35, switch them over some other tires. So I'll go ahead and drop it down to the lowest gear so I can take this rear tire off. MAXXIS Minion DHF 27.5 by 2.5 triple compound, and also MAXXIS Rekon 27.5 by 2.4 dual compound. Damn, these feel good. These don't feel sticky as hell. It's nothing like fresh rubber. I don't care what nobody tell you. Car, motorcycle, mountain bike, anything. It's nothing like fresh rubber. Get this front tire done, we good to go. Okay, that's it for this upgrade. I'm completed here with the tires. Rekon dual compound on the red 2.4. Have the Minion DHF 2.5 in the front, triple compound. I have another upgrade coming. It will be delivered tomorrow. It's already been confirmed. So be on the lookout for that video coming soon. Thanks for watching.